If you're a woman over 40 and you are not making money from tools and services that you use frequently, you are definitely leaving money on the table. I make anywhere between $100 and $400 just by sharing affiliate links. So no selling, no extra work, literally just sharing what I already use. Let me break it down and show you exactly how this works. So first, let me explain what affiliate marketing is because it probably sounds more complicated than what it actually is. So affiliate marketing is simple. A company gives you a unique link to share with your audience or your customers. And when someone purchases from your unique link, a product or service, you then earn commission. So the great thing about affiliate marketing is you're not selling anything. You're literally recommending tools and services that you already use. I want you to think about something quickly. Think about how many times you've recommended an app or a tool or software that has made your life or business easier to a friend. You probably have done that in your life. The thing is, you've been doing affiliate marketing probably for a very long time without even noticing it, and you've been doing it for free. So the only difference is that now you can actually get paid for it. A lot of companies, think about it, software companies, financial tools that you use for your business, even skincare products that you use, everything that you can think about. These companies more than likely have affiliate programs. And so all you need to do is you need to look at what you are using in your day-to-day life and see if there is an affiliate program for it, because you definitely can start making money, which is recommending the tools and services that you use on a day-to-day basis. So here's exactly how I set mine up. So I share my affiliate links and I have a rule. I'm only sharing and promoting and recommending tools and services that I use every day in my life and my business. Now, that's my number one rule. If I'm not using it consistently, I'm not recommending it. I really believe to create trust with my audience and my community. And I believe they trust me because they see me in action using these tools that I recommend. So a lot of the tools that you see me recommend, whether they're financial tools to help me organize my finances, business tools that's helping me run my business, content creation tools that's helping me edit and create my content on a daily basis. All the tools that I recommend are part of my workflow. They're literally part of my everyday life and my business. And I think that's the best way to do affiliate marketing. I will never want to be shoving products and tools and services down people's throats that I do not use. I think that that is a little bit grimy, and that's just not the way I roll. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, if you see links in my descriptions, in my social media bios, in my free guides, more chances than not, there's something that I'm extremely passionate about. And so that's where I put all my links. I think another great thing to notate is that when you are suggesting an affiliate link, it should come off natural. I like when I've already created a video and I am in post-production editing and I think, okay, what tool or service can I recommend that's going to help them achieve whatever goal I'm talking about in the video? And so I don't try to force anything. It's not like I have a link in mind and then I create the video around it. It's actually the opposite. After I'm done editing and I'm getting ready to upload my content and create the description for YouTube, I think, what can go here? What resource will help them achieve their goal? And I think that is one of the smartest ways to do affiliate marketing. And the income adds up a lot faster than you think. I'm going to be honest with you. There are some months that I make anywhere between $100 and $400, but there are also months where I make $600 or $500. The great thing about this is I'm already producing the content. And so that content now holds the links. People can purchase anything that I'm sharing months or years and even decades down the line. That's the crazy thing about YouTube. It's like your videos live on forever. Now, as long as these companies have these affiliate programs, then of course, then we would make that kickback and commission, right? If things change down the line, then obviously that stops. But for right now, the great thing about it is there are some days where I open up my phone. And just actually yesterday when I was doing my bookkeeping, I realized I had made an additional $225 in affiliate sales that I did not even know about because it goes straight to my bank. So that is some of the things that I believe us as entrepreneurs, especially women who are starting over after 40, these are great ways to make passive income. And the reason why I love this is because it's a great surprise. Like, again, I was doing my bookkeeping yesterday and I was like, oh, this $225, it was sitting in my savings account. And what I did was I just moved, or actually, excuse me, my checking account. And what I did was I just moved it over to my brokerage. And so almost every single month, I kid you not, my affiliates commission pays for my brokerage contribution. So I mentioned before in my other videos that I'm contributing $500 a month into my brokerage account. And when you think about it, my affiliate sales helps me do this consistently every single month. Now, I know some of you guys might be thinking, yes, of course, this is not a lot of money. It's like, it pales in comparison to like coaching and consulting. I'm not making thousands upon thousands of dollars. However, it does have a job and it does its job well. One thing that I love about it is it's pretty consistent and I don't have to do any extra work. So if you are definitely thinking about doing affiliate marketing, stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. Okay, so how do you actually get started? It's actually pretty simple. So step one, the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to sit down and make a list of all of the tools, the softwares, anything that you use for your business, anything that you use in your personal life. I like to look at all of my skincare products, my hair care products, even jewelry. I mean, you can really sit down and make a long list, but honestly, I would stick with the things that you use consistently, okay? So that's the first thing that you're gonna do. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a few of those items and you're going to go to Google and research the name plus affiliate program. So let's say it's Notion. So I use Notion for my content calendar. I will then go to Google and put Notion affiliate program and see what pops up because more than likely these companies have affiliate programs. And what you're going to do is if you see that they have an affiliate program, you're going to sign up. Once you sign up, you automatically get your affiliate link. So one of the best ways that I use my affiliate links is I will go inside my phone. So I have an iPhone and I will go to text replacement. And then I would put in a keyword and then I would put in the phrase. What this allows me to do is work quickly. So if someone, I do have automated systems that do this. So I do use ManyChat that does auto DMs for Facebook, but I don't have that tool for YouTube. So if I do a video that I've repurposed from Facebook to YouTube and it says, comment the word SoFi if you want my referral link to set up your free account today. And if someone comments SoFi, I now have a quick, if I just put SoFi in my phone, then the link pops up for me. That's a text replacement. It's automatic and I don't have to reinvent the wheel every single time someone gives me the keyword. So that's just a little hack that I wanted to share with you. But once you set up your affiliate links, you want to put them in your YouTube descriptions if it's related to the video that you are promoting. Also put it in your social media bios, in your lead magnets, in your email campaigns. Put it anywhere that you can. Because the fact of the matter is this, the more you have your links in as many content as possible, the more chances people will click it and use your links. So you definitely want to promote your links as much as possible. But again, make sure that you're not selling and it's really a fit with what you are actually talking about. And that's really all it is. You don't need a huge audience. You don't need to be tech savvy. You just need to offer value. You need to be suggesting products and tools and even resources that people can use that you have found beneficial to your life and your business. One thing that I do want to notate before we wrap up is I want you to understand that it's not about promoting 10 links or 15 links, because don't be that person. If you're just getting started, you really want to own 1 or 2 links. Let your audience get used to the tools that you are really passionate about, and then you can add links later on. I like to really promote anywhere between 3 to 4 links. And those are like the ones that I recycle over and over and over again. And if I stop using a tool after a while, because that has happened, where I use a tool consistently for 8 months and I realize, okay, I got it, I'm on my own now, or I've hired a team member to replace what that tool is doing, then maybe I'm not promoting that link as much. And then I will start to introduce another affiliate link that I'm now using consistently. So you can swap what you suggest to your audience, but I would say stick with like 1 or 2 in the beginning, and then I would say have your core 4, and that's exactly what I do. So I hope that this video really resonated with you. If you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. My name is Dupay Alaru, and this was your Daily Dose with Dupay. Honestly, y'all, I really love affiliate marketing. It's one of those things where I feel like I thought it was more complicated than what it needed to be. If you use anything in your life and business, there's probably an affiliate program for it. This is a way that you can earn passive income. If you are looking to earn additional revenue, that way you can provide for your children's college funds, or you want to automate payments for paying off debt, or maybe investing in your retirement accounts. This is a really easy way that you can do just that. Like I said, all you need to do is be honest with yourself and choose the tools and services that you use on a daily or weekly basis, and then suggest it to your audience when it's a great fit. And that is it. Well, I hope this helped someone. If it did, feel free to subscribe, because I am here every single day showing women how they can rebuild their life after 40 when it comes to building multiple income streams, paying off debts, saving up for retirement, investing, and a lot more. All right, y'all, until next time, I wish you all a beautiful and blessed day.